Welcome to Twin Trails. Today we will be taking you through our first routine oil change for our generator. Since it is peak summer and it's a bit too hot to be camping with the girls, we're taking this time to renovate our trailer. While we are renovating, we want to ensure we are keeping up with any routine maintenance we have, our generator being one of them. To kickstart the oil change, you want to ensure you have everything you need nearby for quick, easy access. You want a drill or screwdriver, a bucket to catch the old oil, and if you want another bucket to measure out the new oil before pouring. A funnel, the new oil, we have Castrol Edge 10W30, and lastly the manual, which tells us when to do the routine oil changes. This routine change was after the 30-hour break-in period. Firstly, you will take your drill or your screwdriver and remove the side panel. You'll then want to grab the bucket you are draining into and put it under the drain. I'm not sure why we did this the hard way, but it is probably easiest to put the generator up on a box or something. That way you can place the bucket on the table to catch the oil. When you unscrew the cap of the oil plug, you'll notice it has a stick just like a car. Make sure you clean this as you'll be checking the oil later with it. While this is draining out, I thought I'd give you a little more information on this specific generator. This being the Predator 2000 from Harbor Freight. This brand seems to be becoming more popular as it is actually a pretty solid generator for the price. It is also an inverter generator, so it is designed to be quiet with noise levels between 50 to 60 decibels versus the standard generators at 70 to 90. Another pro of having an inverter generator is the ability to adjust the engine speed based on power demand versus running a constant speed. This ends up saving on fuel. There are different sizes and the larger ones seem to be more popular, however this one was perfect for what we needed it for. Anyways, back to this. As you can see here, we also check the filter during this time as well. This is an easy unscrew and screw back on. Best practice to ensure you get all the oil out is to do one last tip like you see us do here. As you can see, it doesn't really take too much oil. After you do this, you're going to want to clean up any oil mess you made from the dirty oil. So this generator, weirdly enough, did not come with a direction on how much oil it actually takes. So we are going to estimate and pour until the first thread. You can always pour directly from the bottle into the funnel, or you can estimate out and pour into a measuring container first. Make sure your funnel is in there correctly and you're not spilling like you see here. We did underestimate, so we poured a little bit more. Once you're done pouring, clean up any mess you made, if you made any. Then you're going to want to grab the cleaned cap and put it back in so you can check your oil level, just like you would on a car. Ours is good, so we're going to go ahead and put the side panel back on. Here you can see the gas level to make sure you have gas. Then you flip the switch over to start first. While it's on start, you then will crank it until it starts and you see the red light go to green, which means it's ready. And now you can put it to run and just let it go for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the time has passed, you can turn it back off and store it until your next routine maintenance or next time you want to use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you see how easy it is to change it should you decide to get one yourself. Again, this is a great generator for the price, and we, as well as many others, highly recommend it. See you next time.